So, yeah, so I'm doing feeds. I'm buying feeds for my pure kienyeji chicken. So I want to mix different types of them. So we're starting with this
kienyeji special.
Kienyeji special. Yeah, this is kienyeji special. I'm doing pure kienyeji. I'm mix hizi vitu watu na ni pure kienyeji. So this is kienyeji special.
Then that's njenga.
Alafu this njenga. Yeah, so nataka tuzimix zote pamoja. At least this hizi kuku zinaweza kula for a while. Yeah. So this is njenga. Njenga ni mahindi tu.
Mahindi mesiaga.
Mahindi mesiaga.
Haijakuwa fined.
Haijakuwa fined. Yeah. So I'm having a guy here who's very knowledgeable on matters feeds za kuku. So I'll be borrowing much from him as we proceed. So hiyo mix hiyo ni njenga.
Yani the whole maize, the whole maize with its corn grounded.
Oh yeah, mahindi yote na corn grounded. So this is how it looks like. Yeah.
Now we add wheat bran.
So here in wheat bran.
Yes, wheat bran.
Wheat bran,
which is good for the chicken in terms of its stomach and also nutritious. Yes.
Okay, so you've had mambo na nutrition, being nutritious, good for the stomach.
Proteins also, and then it helps in moderating the chicken's stomach in terms of avoiding the chicken from diarrheaing and all that. Because there are those chickens who sometimes they eat, but the food doesn't blend in with the stomach. So this one, it's like a fruit, the way you give to a kid. Yeah.
To supplement their diet or something. Yeah. So let us mix this. So there is something about tobacco. I'll share with you that secret baadaye kama unafanya mambo na farming na kuku. So let us watch this space. So next tunaika sunflower,
which is very good for the chicken in terms of sickness. Sunflower is like a medicine to the chickens. Yes, with sunflower you can take even months or years before your chicken actually get a vet's injection or drugs from the veterinaries. With this, you can either mix it with tobacco because it's very, very good in helping the chicken. Yes, it's the normal sunflower that has been actually processed to fine. So with this, your chickens are very safe, 100% on that one. I've had an experiment on it. There is an old friend of mine who had a farm in Juja, and he used these ones for almost 2 years, and his chickens never got sick. Yes. For now, we're just mixing roughly, but we will just mix it well fine in a moment. But it can all blend in with the food. Yes.
Sawa.
Cotton, it's very nutritious. It's a supplement, as you can see.
So this is cotton?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very nutritious to the chicken. It also helps during the times where chickens will be actually laying eggs. Yeah, because you might find that your chickens are actually laying eggs, but during that process of laying eggs, they die. Because it helps also in like having the egg fluid in terms of helping the chicken get more stronger.
So does it have something to do with you find a chicken eating its own eggs?
Yes.
So this prevents that?
Yes, it prevents that.
Oh.
Because whatever it has inside it, it's the kind of nutrition that everyone goes for fruits. We as humans, we go for fruits because we lack the basic nutrition in food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
So you just have to like whip it in your hands, grind it finely that way so that it can blend in with the food, as you can see. We'll do that for a while until all of it is blended in. Yes.
So next, ochonga.
These are small fish, with very small thorns, but very nutritious to the chicken, especially if your chickens are for layers. And for the kienyeji breed, it's very nutritious. Very nutritious. It helps it, especially in terms of helping it to fast grow, and also helps in bonding the bones to be more strong. Yes.
Nice.
So it's the best nutrition you can give to your chickens. Yes, especially to have your chickens feel most welcomed. You can see it's a mixture of small fish and omena, as you can see.
Yeah.
It's very nutritious for the chickens.
So this chicken will have a field day today, eating all these nutrients, making this very nutritious. So we're just mixing together. We still have more to add, so let us continue with the mixing. Mix ni layers. So here is our layers.
So with these layers, you get to see, it's a special blend of layers. It has omenas, it has the shells that are very important to chickens, and then it has these small soya gems, which are very nutritious, and then it has whole grains, as you can see. So what we're gonna do with this one, we're gonna mix. It's very healthy. If your chicken gets to it, and then you see there are these small stones, which are very nutritious to the chicken. They help the chicken in terms of instead of the chickens going around looking for digging around in the ground, this one helps it in actually maintaining the status of the chicken.
So we're talking of calcium.
Yes.
Okay. So to make those chicken, the bones zikuwe ngumu, ukiuma kuku nasikia hiyo iko sawa. So there's the secret. So these are our layers. So far tumefanya mix kadhaa. Tumefika mpaka wapi saizi? Tulianza.
We are almost done. So the mixes we've done. We've done 7 mixes. We're remaining with 1 mix, which is the salt, as you can see.
So
this is the chicken salt. With this one, it gives your chicken appetite. Apart from appetite, it helps your chicken as a supplement to calcium. If you don't have calcium and you find this can be helpful. And then this one helps the chicken, especially when it comes to laying of eggs. So you may find that some chicken may actually do the laying of eggs, but the shell is not really strong, it's weak. Yes, so it helps prevent the chicken produce a weak shell. Yes. So with this, your chickens are in safe hands. Yeah, so you're not gonna experience that weak shell in your chicken and ask if it's really about the chicken being sick. No, it needs this. It's called grits.
Grits?
Grits. That is Grits.
Oh.
Yes, this one. So if you mix it well, as you can see, it blends in.
Yeah.
It's blending very, very nicely. And together with the small calcium that is found in our layers, your chicken will be very, very, very happy. So now we're gonna do the all round up mixing, and we'll give you the last product. Just wait and see.
Okay.
These are charcoals, as you can see. So what we're gonna do with these ones, we're gonna crush them, because some of these foods, they have extra chemicals maybe, and since these ones are very nice, they reduce the chemical reaction in a chicken. So we're gonna crush them to almost dust, but they'll still have their particles, and then we're gonna mix in the food. So we're gonna show you how we mix it in the food, so it will be much more easier for you to actually monitor your chicken, and also they help in reducing the sickness, because even monkeys, for their own digestion, they use charcoals. Yeah, monkeys use charcoal to help them as supplements, and also add calcium and nutrition, and also it helps to quicken up the digestion system. Yes, so this one, it's a very good one for the chicken. So next it's we crushing it.
Yeah, another thing about the charcoal which I've heard from guys is if your teeth mama now kama ni brown, chukua charcoal, crush, tumia hiyo kubrush. This is something that people do. Na unapata meno zinakuwa as white as snow. So let us crush. So now we are crushing to smaller particles. Takende vumbi yake ile. Usishangae kuhusu mchanga, kuku zinapenda mchanga. So zupe na kukula sana mchanga. So iko tu sawa.
This is what we're talking about, eh?
Yeah.
This. But doesn't mean that just because you want that you'll throw the other particles. No. Every element is very important.
Almost final product. So here's the charcoal. To manage quick crush. So to find our particles. Yeah. So here's the thing. Back to our feed.
So you have to mix it and then it has to like blend in,
Yeah.
that way. To a point whereby it's not even recognizable.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yeah.
it has to be this way. Whereby if I get to hold them further, it looks like that. So I'll have to make it again more fine, and then that will be end for today.
Yeah.
As you can see, it has to bring you something like this.
So again, they just take us through to make so many things up.
Almost 9 products.
9 products. Both na saidia na calcium nini. So I think tume do a lot on this.
We've covered every corner.
Yeah, every corner. So right now tunataka ku mix. Are we putting in hiyo powder ya charcoal kidogo ama?
Yes.
Yeah. So here's our charcoal.
So this will be the first bunch now to go in.
Yeah.
After here, it's now packaging.
Yeah, now packaging.
And I'll tell you how to store.
Okay. So there is a secret on how to store your food products, not only for human consumption, but even za nini?
Wanyama.
Za wanyama. Chakula si unachukua tu unatupa. Yeye anatuambia vile tunaweza fanya hiyo mchezo. You cannot keep on going to the shop na ununua chakula ya kila siku. You need to have your small storage. After buying kama vile mimi nimenunua hivi bulk, then I go and store, inakuwa poa.
Atatuambia you find a place that is dry.
Yeah.
So now
so there we mixing the charcoal. So this is charcoal powder, tutaita hivyo. This is a secret recipe, not known by many, but only us.
Only a few.
Okay. So this is breaking down the chemical components in these feeds.
And only buy a product that you've been explained to well.
Yeah.
It's not all about cheap. I'd rather go for something that is expensive, but worth it.
Yeah.
Do not be fooled by cheap
products in the market.
Yes, cheap is very expensive.
True.
So right now we're doing the last batch.
Yeah. So this is ready for packaging. So after this, I'll be going straight home to feed, to give this to my chicks. And remember, we are doing pure kienyeji. This is a pure kienyeji feed. Not the Kenbro or half kienyeji, half water, pure kienyeji. Yeah.
So this is how it should look like. You shouldn't see any black, too much black in your feed. It should blend in well. So what you can see, it's just actually the black particles that didn't crush.
Yeah.
That is what you can see. Yeah. So now we go to the third bunch here. We have to mix. Remember, we had cotton. So your chicken, if they see cotton live, some may not consume it because they really don't know what it is.
Yeah.
So you have to like squash it like this. so that your chicken can get to gulp everything in. So this one, it's ready for packaging. And then the rest of the particles over there, we will grind them later on. Now that one is, you can either add at your given time, yes, while at home, with no pressure. But the major one, it's done here. The only remaining part is we packaging it and having it in small sacks.
So maybe Ian, you can just talk us more about storage.
In terms of storage, I'll give you an example with mine here. You can see my storage. This is my floor. So I shouldn't place this food on a sack on a floor. You either get stones or you get a wood like this. Something that is high up on top. You can place your food here. So at a maji kimwagika, there is nowhere. This water from here, it will reach here. And then you should store your food on a dry and cool place. Somewhere where it's moisture free. Because moisture affects food. Yes. So you can't complain that your food is bad, but you can't store it well. Especially with this kind of food. You store it badly, it goes. And it will grow fungi. And what do you do if you give chicken food that is bad? Especially if it's a product that you're selling, they lose weight. So in matters of storage, you can either have stones aligned on the ground, you place the food on top, or you get a wood like this, falcas. From there are so many people who sell them. You can either get the small ones or the bigger ones like this one. This one, it's around 300 or 350 or 400. Yes, you can get these 2 or 3 if you are on a bulk process like my friend here. So you can either get to choose. You either get this or you arrange stones. Yes, not small stones. A stone can be what this side or this side. A stone whereby even water cannot tamper with it. Yes.
Okay, so there we go. I think we've captured that. So let us continue with our mixing. So up next is packaging.
How we should be packaging based on the weeks and all that,
So let us continue with our mixing.
So guys, we're done with the packaging. As you can see right now, this is how it looks. It has no difference with this one. Each of it is well mixed. The same as this one. You can just have a look. They're all mixed. So right here we have sunflower. With this sunflower, what you can do, I've decided to place it differently because you can have a pinch of this sunflower, mix it with water, you give it to the chickens. Yes. This is now on the other side as a supplementary for the water. Where you can get us, it's at actually Joska along the junction route near Inner Care. That's where we have our shop. And this is me, you'll find. For more details on our feeds and everything, you can contact me at 0750 34 58 81. That is through calls. And through WhatsApp, you can contact me through 0743 208031. Yes, Prina Feeds, that is our name.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that's good. So maybe if you can just share some little information about, so how did you call this?
This is sunflower.
Sunflower. You said we mix with
a little bit of water.
So this is a secret recipe?
Yes. Whereby if your chicken, you mix it through water and then through the food, you get it all round. Yes. So this helps your chicken in getting the best quality amenities around there.
So until next time, it is good. So let me just take you through. I'll be taking my feeds back at home using my MK7, Mark 4. So until then, investors.